We're going to break down a very unique product that is killing it on Amazon. We're going to go through the entire breakdown of this business model, how much money it makes, and how you can do something similar to this today. So, what exactly is the product? It is a dog tactical harness. That is what we were talking about. Okay. This is one of the examples. I'm going to pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use to help me determine whether a product is worth selling or not. So we can see right here, there's an opportunity score on the top right that says there's high demand and low competition. This is exactly what we want. We don't want to sell fidget spinners. We don't want to sell Stanley cups, knockoff ones, private label ones. We want to sell unique products with high demand and low competition. So we can see right here, this is the exact product, a tactical dog harness. It's doing 80 grand per month. Insanity with these numbers that some of these products are doing. You would never look at this on a dog and think that someone's making 80 grand a month selling these. So how exactly do we sell something like this? We know there's high demand for it. A lot of people are buying it, they want it, and low competition. It's not saturated. So how do we go about making money from this? So what I do is private labeling, and that simply means you have a generic product like this tactical vest, and you create a brand around it, and you start selling it on Amazon. You create your own listing on Amazon similar to this one. This brand is called One Tigress. No pull tactical dog harness. Okay, so it's selling for 46 bucks. So how do we start private labeling a product just like this? So if we go over to Alibaba, this is where you can source products overseas and start and customize the products, private label the products. That's all I mean when I say private label is customize it, right? Add your brand name to the product itself, add your brand to a custom packaging yourself. So we could see I just searched tactical dog harness, and we could see that we can buy an almost identical product to this one for anywhere from $2 to $7.65. They have a minimum order quantity of 30 pieces, so you have to buy at least 30 pieces to work with them, because we're buying these in bulk, right? And we want the supplier to put your brand name on it so that we can create an Amazon listing similar to this and start selling it for 46 bucks, right? So how much money can we actually make from selling this product? And how can you do something just like this? So let's say we buy this for anywhere from $2 to $7. Let's say with shipping, let's say it costs delivered to us is, let's say it's $6. Okay, that's probably on the high end. So if we go to Amazon's revenue calculator, you can literally just Google Amazon FBA revenue calculator, and we can see what the exact fees are when selling on Amazon. Because if you don't know the fees, you're screwed. You're not going to know how much money you're actually making. So we need to grab something from the competitor's listing called the ASIN, ASIN. It's almost like a UPC code. It's a unique identifier to Amazon's listing, and it's right here on the bottom left under the product details. So all we're going to do is search the ASIN, click search, and it's going to pop up our competitor's listing. So if we're selling a similar product, we know that the size, the weight, the fees, the Amazon fees are all going to be similar. So we can really gauge pretty clearly how much money we can make. So it pulls up, before I get into that, we're going to go with Amazon fulfillment. I'm going to X out your fulfillment. Your fulfillment means that you're selling these and shipping these out of your garage, versus Amazon fulfillment means that we're going to send them to Amazon's warehouse. Anytime it sells, Amazon's going to pick, pack, and ship it. They're going to handle all the shipping, all the customer service, any returns, any refunds, any chargebacks. They're going to deal with all of that. We do pay them a fee to do that, but this is the way that you can really scale an Amazon business. So we could see that the item price sells for 46 bucks. There's Amazon fees, the Amazon referral fees for $8. The fulfillment cost is $6. This is for them to ship it for us. The storage cost, 14 cents a unit. Inbounding cost, this is sending it to Amazon, 49 cents per unit. Then this is where we put our cost of goods sold. So we said $6 per unit. And then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to change the estimated sales to just 1. We want to see how much we're making per unit. So we could see 56% or about $26.34 per unit. Pretty incredible, pretty high profit margins. If you want to learn to do run an Amazon business like this, you want more in-depth information, click the link below. I share with you exactly how to do that and how you can start making money on one of the world's largest online marketplaces. It's not going anywhere. There's tons of money to be made. And some people might be thinking, well, how am I going to compete with this, right? That's making 80 grand a month. But the point is, even if you're not making 80 grand a month, even if you only get half of this and you're doing 40 grand a month with a 56% profit margin, that's around 20 grand a month, right? Even if you're doing a quarter of it, right? Even if you're doing, 20% of these sales, there's still high demand. There's still a lot of people searching for these products and low competition where we can still come in. We don't have to be the top player. We don't have to make 80 grand a month, 100 grand a month, 200 grand a month. You can easily create a business making 10, 20, 30 grand a month selling this exact product with a 56% profit margin. Very healthy profit margin. And you could tap into Amazon's resources where they sell it, they market it, they ship it for you. All you need to do is handle the back end, get the inventory, and give it to Amazon to sell for you. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.